Hi everyone and welcome to the second part of the tutorial about how to make your own add-on in Minecraft Pocket Edition. The last time we left with the exploration of the different files and folders in the add-on. Today the topic will be the different kind of files. Okay, you'll see there is a little difference. Okay, and before we start, I want to apologize because I just realized that the last time I forgot to tell you that you need Notepad++, okay, which is a free text editor, because there is one file, okay, that I opened the last time, and it was, you see this one in text. It's the file that allows you uh, to put the words and the names of the different things. You see, for example, the name of the shark, the name of the commands, and all these things. The thing is, I opened it because I have Notepad++, but if you don't have this or something equivalent, you will probably not be able to open it, or they will show you a message and say like you cannot open it. I'm sorry about this, okay? So I'll show you how to download it first, and then we will start officially the tutorial. So you go on your navigator, uh, and it won't be long. You will search for Notepad++, okay? And the link will be in the description if you want. Instead of going on the internet, you can simply download it from the description. So when you click on this, there should be some choices. Click on this one and you do download. You will see that it appears in the corner right here. And my suggestion also, I will show you something else. When you click with your right mouse, okay, there is something like this that appears. And there is one spot that is called new, okay? When you pass on it, you have this choice of new folder. When you click on this, it creates a new folder that you can rename, okay? And we will call it MCPE tools. In fact, whenever you have something to put a program and things like this, we will put them in this folder. This way, if you, for some reason, you don't want to make the tutorials anymore, or if you kind of don't like Minecraft anymore, or you want to quit, and you want to delete all these files and folders, everything will be in this, so it will be very easy for you to just remove it. So we return here, and we open these options, okay? And you click on this so you can see it in your folders. Transfer it, I'll put it on my top screen, and then you just close, okay? As I say, we will put it in your MCPE tools, and we will activate it from here, okay? So you double click, and it will open this kind of panel, okay? In fact, the panel says, do you want to authorize the application to bring some modification to your device? And the answer is yes, I want to do it. And then it's really nice because you can choose your language, okay? I'll choose English for the tutorial. And you click on OK, or you can press this. Then you just have to click on Next. Do you agree with these? I will not read all of them to you, okay? It's a bit long, but you can agree. Then you have to choose where you want it to be, okay? So click on Browse, Browse, I mean, and you need to find the little folder that we made right here, okay? For me, it's on the desktop, and it's right here, okay? It should be there for you too, so you click on this, and okay. Then you do Next. All of these are okay for now, okay? Next, and you install. So you see, it's kind of fast. And finish. If you want to run the program right now, you can leave it checked. If you don't want, just do this, okay? And finish. You see? So now you should have this that appeared right here. And when you click there, you have all these things, okay? And this is the program, okay? So you have now you have Notepad++, okay? And it's great because now when you will not need to open your things from here. In fact, when you will open from the folders right here, you will have the possibility to open it directly from here. You see, this is the icon of Notepad++, so you can open it from there. Okay, so that's it. Now we will learn about the different kind of files. First of all, you need to learn how to make a txt file, okay, which is the most simple. When you right click, there is once again this little window that appears. And you see when you go on new, you have the folder, you have a lot of different things you can do. And one of them is text document, okay? Click on it and it will create a new kind of file, which can be renamed in any way. And this one, I will just call it, okay? Then you press enter. The code is not very important, but what is very, very important is the txt at the end, you see? When you open this kind of file, you can write whatever you want in it, okay? And it's not very important, it doesn't change anything because it's just a text editor. So you could, as an example, I will make this and then I will write potato, for example, okay? Because everybody likes potato. So you see you have potato like this. And just look at this. If I go on with the right click, you have some choices, and one of them is edit with Notepad++. When you click on this, it will bring you to something like this, you see? Because it's a txt file, it just shows you everything the way it is, okay? Click, whenever you want to close your window, don't just click here, okay? You need to close here before and then here. Now, let me show you something. If you click on the name once it's selected, you will have the possibility to underline this, okay? The txt. And if you change it for JSON, it will ask you if you want to change the extension and you press enter. Just look at this. The file is now a JSON file. What is the difference? When you open it, there is no difference, okay? But look at this. If you open it in, so right click for Notepad++, there is a small difference. Do you see it? You can now close this, okay? It doesn't seem big, but it is very important, okay? It's the same thing if you change this for lang. Look at this. It will automatically be available from Notepad only, okay? And there is not really a big difference, but you'll see that it has a lot of importance in the kind of files that you will create, okay? So, as I said, you have the txt file, and you just have to change, I will show it again, okay? You go here, create one, we will call it potato, and this is a txt file. If you click again, you can change for JSON if you want a JSON file. And you can also change it for a lang if you want a lang file, okay? There's also some other kinds of file that I will present to you eventually, okay? But for now, why do I show this to you? Because I will show you some of these, okay? In fact, I'm sorry. Okay. We will go in the resource pack. You can see that the manifest is a JSON file, okay? But the text is a lang, okay? It's very important because the structure of the file, which is also called a format, is different, okay? In some cases, it's very important. In some others, it's not too important. So you'll see that, for example, most of the files are JSON files. That's what Minecraft use most of the time. Uh, in fact, maybe 90% of the files are JSON files, okay? The structure is this kind of structure. Uh, it also allows you to use some characters that are special, so you can make some modification and all. So yeah, well, it's gonna be all for this video. I'm sorry, I know it's a bit quick and we only saw one thing, and I've showed you how to download Notepad++. But as I said, it's really important for me that you learn the bases, and then we will be able to dive into more complex things and more concrete things. So I see you in the next video. I hope it was interesting, and I see you next time.